Welcome back. We are going to learn how to hide and unhide column rows and worksheets. So take an example. Let's start with the columns. If I added 3 columns there, or whatever columns that I have, but I don't want to delete those columns, I just want this total column because I will use this space sometime later, maybe to add more ones. Maybe I just want to hide these columns and bring the total value closer. I highlight the columns, of course, then right click and click on hide. The keyboard shortcut is here, you can see it. Okay, so that's Control plus O or 0. I think that's O. In let's do it. Let me just experiment if it's Control 0 or Control O. So Control O, Control, that's open. Control, not Command, Control O, Control 0. Oh, the keyboard shortcut is Control 0 to hide it. Okay, but the standardized way is just highlighting the columns, right click and click on hide. It hides the column. And the way for you to know there is a hidden column, look at the highlighting here. You can see it. It's not the same as this other column. See, that's how you know. If you want to unhide, and this is the same with rows as well, because if I add rows and I want to hide these two, just right click and hide. Okay, let me undo. Remember, the keyboard shortcut is always shown next to it, and this one is Control plus 9. It's different from the one for hiding columns. Okay, so highlight, hide. To unhide is just look at where the columns need to look hidden, because as you can see, it's column number 10, I mean row number 10, and then it jumps to 13, meaning there's 2 hidden here and the color highlight is here. So to actually unhide, you just go place your cursor there, don't click, just right click where it is hidden and click on unhide. You'll get yourselves back. I'm going to delete this too. Let me delete one. If I want to unhide these columns, let's just take my cursor to where it is and hide. Okay, it's unhid one of them. If I want to do again, that's the next one, and then the last one, unhide. Okay, so it's not unhidden. You have to highlight it and then unhide. Okay, so I'm going to delete these 3 because I don't really need them. For the case of sheets, it's also the same. So let me add another sheet here. Then right click on it and click on hide. It's going to hide that. If you want to unhide the sheet, just click here on the status bar next to anything, or just here on an active sheet and click on unhide. It's going to give you a list of all hidden sheets. Right now it's just sheet 2. If I click here and I click on plus, let's see, it's going to hide that. Let me undo and show you. Control Shift Z, let me redo. Several, so sheet 5. If I highlight both of them and then click on hide, it's going to take both of them. If I highlight here and say unhide, all of them are here. So it asks you, which one do you like? If I want to unhide all of them, I just click Shift, select the first one, and Shift, click the last one, then click on OK, and it will unhide everything. I want to delete all of this. So that's how you hide and unhide sheets as well. Okay, remember, I did not show you how to copy a sheet, so you just right click it and click on move or copy. Okay, so we're going to pass through that in another tutorial, but for now I'm happy that you've learned how to hide and unhide columns and rows, and also hide a sheet. And it's also good for you to remember how it looks, the color highlighting, for you to know where a column or a row has been hidden. See you in the next one, where we're going to know how to rename an Excel sheet, because here it just says personal sheet 1. I don't like that, so we're going to rename it. See you then. Bye.